Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back with another brand new video, and today it's a good day. We're gonna keep trading our 2-minute time frame, and I'm gonna show you today how I use other time frames to look at where my trades are gonna be. So if I'm doing 2 minutes, how I switch between 5 minutes and sometimes 3 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, and how I use that to inform my entry points. So sit back, relax as we jump into this video. But before we do that, you know I gotta plug myself, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Don't forget to join the best Telegram group with free signals every single day. And a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up and I'll let you in. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the charts. And the first things we're looking at is 0 JPY. And still on our 2-minute time frame, I'm gonna go ahead and add my indicators. You know, I got the head, that moving average, and the zigzag, and my stochastic oscillator. Do a little bit of settings on my moving average, 200 EMA, and bam, and we're good. So right now we can see the market is all the way down. One of the things we're looking at in this situation is for a nice little entry point. Looking for a nice little entry point. Now right here, we want to find what is the lowest point in the market recently. We can see that it's 173.56, 177.40 right here. So we're expecting the market to turn 7.5 right here. Just find that zone correctly. Boom, that's it. So right here, I'm gonna draw that. Boom. So right now we're seeing market moving already in the opposite direction. Let's check out M5 and let's see if the situation is the same. Still see it going all the way down here. Still hasn't touched 173.5. So this might be a situation where we go in the other direction just based on that. So we'll go into a put right there for 1,000. Even though we can see that the market, yes, is putting a little bit upwards. You can see some green candles here. It just makes sense that since the market hasn't touched the slowest point, not even close to it at 173.97 or 173.56, which I think it might be the closest thing. So we're just gonna leave that market there, enter into a put, and then we could probably take some profit on that. Let's go ahead and look at another pair and see how that's gonna work in a completely different pair. So let's look at it again here. You can see a situation where the market is bullish, but right now we're starting to see a little bit of drop. Now let's check out M5. You can see that the situation is a little bit different. And on M5, you can see that the market is pulling upwards in the M5 time frame. And when we go to an M2, we're looking for any indication that might show that the market will turn here or could easily go upwards. So first thing in my mind is we're above our 200 EMA. You can see zigzag also showing upwards. Now we'll look at the strengths of the candle. First things we're looking at is, can you see how the market is being pushed up here? Push, 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 still getting pushed. Despite we see the fact that we're a little bit down on our stochastic oscillator, which we're past overbought conditions. So for that reason, we'll enter into a call, expecting that the market will continue to go upwards. It looks like we might have just over-evaluated our hand, played our hand a little bit too early. Here we're good, but on what's the pair euros, where it just, I'm just gonna open it from here. Canadian dollar. Can I open my trade? So no. So we get profit on one of our trade. The other trade is a little bit out. So let's see, it's Euro CAD, Canadian dollar to be precise. So let's just go CAD. So as you can see, market is absolutely going in the other direction. In our M5, we're not able to predict that a little bit early, but it happens same thing as well. I think if we waited a couple of minutes, we could have really seen a better signal. But right now, since we're seeing that the market is starting to dive all the way down, we might double up or even triple up to try to get our money's worth from this trade. While we'll lose one here, we can see the confirmation of the markets going downwards. So we're going to put our money where our mouth is, and we are going to enter into a put for 3K. So right here, this trade is looking like a huge loss for us, but we'll take it so that we can get a nice little profit on 3 of these trades. So first trade was a good hit, nice, quick. So just switching between time frames can also help you, but sometimes you also have to think about how things can change very quickly. So you might switch between M5, M10, or sometimes M15 and M3 if you're doing M2 trades, or if you're doing M1 trades. Definitely keep that in mind, because you look at the scalp, you're looking for anything that can give you more information on where the market is moving into, because the market is going to move regardless of your time frame, whether you're in M1 or 1 hour or 4 hours. It's just a matter of how much time is it going to take for you to enter into your trades. And as you can see here, looks like we're in good hands. We have about 4 seconds left on this candle. I don't see anything that will show that the market will move in the other direction right now. So I think we're just going to follow this trend all the way down, and that could be a nice little win trade for us with 24 seconds left. That candle looks like it's still going to be moving in that direction. So we are in good hands. We are in good hands. So it looks like we're going to take a nice profit off of this. As you can see, that just when we enter a trade, you can see we made $10 extra on the first 2 trades we entered, and the last one was a little bit of a call. And as you can see, nice, we entered into 5 trades in total. 1 was a miss, and 4 of them were able to hit. So right now you might be thinking there's a possibility that the market switches from here and we see a reversal, because we've seen it here and we've seen it here. There's a possibility here. So what you think to yourself, do you continue to go into a trade? I might enter into one more trade here for a put for 1 minute. This is just because I'm thinking that the market is going to turn somewhere around here. So I want to quickly take profits before I see that change in the market. So this is a situation where you can switch between time frames depending on what you see on your chart. And this is a good example of that. So I'm thinking that the market is going to reverse anywhere around here. So before that, I want to be able to take my profit before that switch happens. And that's why I'm entering into 1 minute right here, only on this trade. And the other trades, I followed the trend all the way down. So you can see in this situation, when I see the market hasn't hit that level, I'm entering with 20 seconds left. And that might look like a nice little hit for us if we don't see the push. But we see a push, and the market kind of reverses a little earlier than we thought it would. I mean, is it closer to this point? No, it's not. 2 seconds left. Come on. So our trade was somewhere around here. I think we were a couple of seconds, like this, just a couple of seconds away, and we might be able to take a profit on that trade. But still a great session in my opinion. You know, a couple of losses here and there, 2 losses, $2,000, but we're able to cover our losses and be in a little bit of profit. I think that that's a good win for us today. So thank you very much for joining me for another quick little session trading on pocket option. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new video comes out, and don't forget to join the best Telegram channel with free signals every single day. Links will be in the description. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.